to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss about security model based on network business security. Introduction: network services have revolutionized data sharing in today's interconnected world, but subsequent security issues require innovative solutions. This project offers a strong security architecture for network-centric business applications in order to address these issues. The project intends to strengthen against unauthorized access and data breaches by combining data security through encryption with network security through access controls. This endeavor introduces an application server with an admin login for rule-based file management and a user login for user interactions. This project emphasizes the significance of combining encryption and access control to guarantee the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive data in business networks through actual implementation and examples. Coming to objective, establishing a strong security framework for network-driven commercial applications is the goal of the project. It aims to strengthen data confidentiality and prevent unauthorized access through encryption and access controls. An application server with admin and user modules permitting file uploads, access rule setting, and secure user interactions. It is required for practical deployment. The project shows the model applicability by modeling real-world circumstances. A few of the goals are to strengthen network security, implement data encryption, enforces access rules, and verify security effectiveness. This method advances expertise in the area of securing sensitive data in network-based business context and offers a user-friendly solution while addressing scalability. Coming to requirements, we need these things, which are hardware and software. Coming to hardware, operating system of Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, and hard disk of 10 GB and above. Coming to software, we need Python 3.7.0 and MySQL Workbench for execution of the project. These are the design modules and the methodology for execution of the project. First module is admin module. The admin can log in using the provided username and password. This is the initial step to access the admin functionalities. In that, we have two things, which are upload process or file and view process or file. In the first thing, which is upload process or file, once logged in, the admin can upload files. These files will contain business data or information that needs to be secure. When a file is uploaded, it is encrypted using AES algorithm to ensure data security. The admin can also set access rules for each uploaded file. Access rules specify whether a file can be read, written, or both. These rules are associated with the uploaded files. Next one is view process or file. In this module, we will see the uploaded files. Second module is user module. In that, we have three things, which are new user sign up, user login, and search process files. Coming to new user sign up module, new users can sign up with the application by providing their necessary information. This allows users to create accounts that they will use to access and interact with the uploaded files. Next module is user login. After signing up, user can log in using their credentials. Once logged in, they can access the features provided by the application. The last one is search process or files. Once logged in, users can search for process or files. This likely involves listing the available files and their associated access rules. User can then select a file to perform actions based on their access permissions. For execution, we need to open the code folder of the project which contains the source codes. So, this is the network security folder. Inside this folder, there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. And this is network security app folder. This contains template and static folders. First one is templates. This folder contains all the HTML pages used in the project. It typically includes files like index.html, home.html, etc., which represent different pages of the website. And the other one is static. This folder consists of files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. And this is the DB file. This contains queries that we need to run in the MySQL Workbench to create a database. And this is the manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, and applying migrations and more. This last file is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. So we need to double click on run.bat file so that manage.py file is compiled. After running the manage.py file, Django framework will host the application locally at default address and port. So we need to copy this link and paste it in any browser. I prefer Google Chrome. So here I will be pasting the link. At the end we need to type index.html and click on enter. So this is the home page of the project displayed in the browser. This is the front end developed by the Django framework. Now I need to click on the button admin, and here I need to enter the username and password so that admin will be logged in. So I'll give the admin username and password. Now I need to click on login. So admin is logged in successfully. Now I need to click on the button upload process or file. Here this file, which is choose file, by clicking on this option we will be uploading the file, and this is the access mode. We have three types of access modes, which are R, W and RW. By selecting the R, so that file will be downloaded and that file can only be read, and by giving the access mode as W, the file can only be written, that cannot be read or downloaded. By clicking on the button R or W, which means read or write, this option provides that the file can be read and written and also downloaded. Now we'll give three different of files with the different access modes. So we'll select this and click on open and give the access mode as R and click on upload process. So process file is uploaded. Now I'll choose the other file and click on open and select the access mode as W. And now I'll click on upload process. Process file is uploaded. Now I'll choose the other file and click on open. Give the access mode as R or W and click on upload process. Here file is uploaded. Now I'll click on the button view process files to see all these uploaded files. So here we can see file owner, file name and access modes of all the particular files. Now we'll log out. Before logging out, we can see all these files stored in this particular folder. So these files are stored in this static folder. So these files are stored in the encrypted format. Here we can see that the files are stored in the encrypted format. Now I'll close this. I'll log out from the admin. Now I'll click on the button new user sign up. So here I'll give the username of the new user, and here the password, and here contact number, email ID and the address of the user, and click on register. So here sign up process is completed. Now this user will be logged in by clicking on the button user login. So here we need to give the username and the password. Now I'll click on login. So the user is logged in successfully. Now we'll click on the button search process or files. Here these three are the recent files. Here we can see file owner name, file name, access mode, read operators and write operators. So at the end we can see the three modules, three files which are uploaded. So for this particular file, the access mode is R, which means he can read and he can download, and written access is not allowed. For this particular file, there is only W, which means he can only write, download option is not available. And for this particular file, only read or write, he can write and he can also read. So by clicking on this button, he will be able to download, and by clicking on this button, he will be able to write. So first I'll click on the button, click here to write so that we can edit it, and click on submit. Here file writing process is completed. Now I'll download the file. So here we can see the file is downloaded in the status bar, and now we'll open this. So here the error is showing that word found unable to read this content because this file is in decrypted format. So we will open it in Notepad here we can see the file in decrypted format. Now we'll log out of the user and we will close it. Conclusion: in order to protect sensitive information, the project emphasizes the effective integration of data security and network security measures. The practical application of the server verifies how well encryption and access controls work to prevent unauthorized access and data breaches. The initiative emphasizes the model applicability and usefulness by recreating real-world circumstances. According to project, integrating access control with encryption greatly strengthens data security. However, to keep with emerging threats and technology, constant improvement and awareness are required. On a whole, the project lays a strong foundation for protecting vital information in business networks and promotes its use for better security measures. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.